Yup. What's today? Today's the 1st of what, June? 1st of June. And a tailing. Okay. Fuck global warming. What do they call it? Nibiru? 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 Nibiru must be coming.
Look on the driveway.
Huh? These are like, I don't know, what size are these?
Pebbles.
Pebbles? Yeah, good size pebbles. Oh, my window's down. Here. Here. You get to film.
I'll do narration. Look, it just picked up for you.
Reno, Nevada. That's all I got to say. Oh, yeah. First to get the truck stuck.
Things are dented by now.
Yeah. Look, hey, you know what, though? I wish I'd think about it the other day. Need to wash the truck.
Yep.
You know, perfect timing.